Rootstock has really been helpful in terms of improving our business operations, primarily because we get so much more visibility around what we're doing. Having the capabilities that Rootstock has given us the ability to understand products, understand and manage sales operations, understand and manage expenses, and really plan all of our manufacturing activities as well.
Rootstock has been very helpful in managing our inventory. It's very easy to see, what we have in stock, what we need.
My advice to anybody that's working in operations is to not be afraid of technology. Start off with the theory of the crawl, walk, run, and once you get your feet under you, you're gonna realize that you're crawling, walking, and then flying.
Rootstock is very flexible. It's one of my favorite features of it, is being able to customize it for how we need it to work for our business.
Rootstock was more than just the digital transformation. It was the start of a cultural transformation.